So we had an email from a gentleman called Roland who was inquiring about the iCarSoft BMM version 3.0 tool. And his email wrote, "My vehicle is a Mini Cooper S 2012 hatchback. I want to buy the iCarSoft BMM version 3.0. Can you tell me, is this a suitable scanner for my car as a DIY user and not a professional? Or do you recommend an alternative product? Thank you." So in answer to the first part of the question, the BMM version 3.0 is very suitable for a Mini Cooper. Yes, it covers all systems. It'll do. We have responded to the customer in person, of course, but it covers all systems. It does all manner of resets. It'll do a wide range of service reset functions. It'll do live data. It does component testing, and it's generally seen as like one of the best health check tools out there for any BMW or Mini vehicle out there on the road. So that's the first part. The tool is going to be suitable. And he also asked if it was good for a DIYer and not a professional. And the answer to that is absolutely yes. These tools are aimed at DIYers. They're aimed at home users, people who just want to do a simple reset or diagnose a fault on their driveway or in their own garage or outside their own house, instead of having to hand it over to a garage and pay expensive garage fees just to get it hooked up to the diagnostic tool. So the answer is positive on both terms. It is suitable for DIYers, and of course it is suitable for this 2012 Mini hatchback. So I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. We do offer same day dispatch, free UK delivery, worldwide delivery as well. And of course, we only stock genuine and official products. So I suspect you've stumbled across this video because maybe you are looking for a tool for your Mini itself. So this is certainly what we'd recommend. Okay, but I'll pop the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.